5 critically acclaimed movies every direct seller must watch. Direct sellers need motivation from time to time. At QNet India, we believe that reading insightful books and watching motivational or documentary movies are the best ways to break the monotony. So, today we bring you 5 top-notch and critically acclaimed movies that will inspire you to be the best version of you. 5. Pirates of Silicon Valley. Featuring a young Bill Gates played by Anthony Michael Hall and a passionate Steve Jobs, a no-while portrayal, and their journey towards creating their global brands, Microsoft and Apple. Direct sellers can take inspiration from Bill Gates' never-say-die attitude. Also, if you want to make it big, you must think like Steve Jobs. This movie is a truly underrated gem that goes by unnoticed. We recommend watching The Pirates of Silicon Valley right away. 4. The Pursuit of Happiness. If you are wondering why the word happiness is spelt wrong, then you are asking the right question. This movie is based on the life, struggles, and eventual success of American businessman Chris Gardner. Will Smith personifies the role and makes it his own. As a direct seller, The Pursuit of Happiness will give you the solace and positivity you need, but at the same time also teach you how to keep pushing when the going gets tough. Watch his enthralling movie of a businessman's pursuit of, well, happiness. 3. Guru. Indian movies have forever challenged Hollywood at every step. Guru is a Mani Ratnam classic featuring Abhishek Bachchan in what could be his best role yet. Guru is loosely based on Dhirubhai Ambani's life and portrays his journey from being a street vendor to India's biggest business tycoon. The Ambani story is enough attraction to get anyone want to know the man's story. Watch this brilliant movie about how to sell your way to the top. 2. The Wolf of Wall Street. This might be the most popular on the list, and no list is complete with the mention of The Wolf of Wall Street. Yet another Scorsese DiCaprio classic. The movie takes us through the journey of Jordan Belfort of Stratton-Oakmont fame. If you want to learn how to sell, this is the best movie to watch. Direct sellers around the world idolize this movie, and rightly so. This is Martin Scorsese's modern masterpiece. Chances are, you have already watched this one, but we would watch this again and again just for the motivation it provides. 1. The Founder. Persistence. This is the theme behind The Founder. If you want to succeed in life, you need talent, skills, drive, and so much more. Every direct seller needs to watch The Founder at least once to understand what it takes to go big. Follow the story of how McDonald's became the brand that we know today, and all it took was just one man to change the course of history. Michael Keaton plays Ray Kroc, an unhappy milkshake salesman who wants to make it big. Using his vision and persistence, he makes the world's biggest fast food chain a reality. You do not want to miss this movie, as it comes highly recommended and has gotten much critical acclaim. So, that is it. These movie characters portray what it takes to get into the big league, so if you have the drive and passion, you could go a long way.